Hey, this is Nikhil and in today's video we will make a wireless door opener using BitBlocks. To make this project, you need a receiver module, a transmitter module, power module, a servo motor, servo controller, toggle switch, and a 9-volt battery. So guys, firstly we will build the transmitter. So just power the module using 9-volt battery and then connect it to the transmitter module. It's working. Making electronic project using BitBlocks is quite simple because it's easy to assemble. We have completed our transmitting part. Now it's the time for receiver. To make this circuit, you need a toggle switch, a servo controller, a servo motor, 9-volt battery with connector, a receiver module, and simply a power block. So in the same way, first we will give power to our power block, then we will connect it to the receiver module. It's also working. Then we will take a toggle switch and will connect it to the B1 board of transmitter block. Then we will connect a servo controller in series with a servo motor. And guys, please make sure to set the servo controller in lock mode. Guys, I took a metal board and pasted the switch on it. Guys, then I took a servo motor and connect it to the switch with the help of wire in this manner so it can move forward and upward easily. You can see it carefully that how I attach the servo with the switch. Now it's time to connect the servo with the controller. So guys, this is how I completed the circuit. So just turn on the power and let the circuit work. We have completed the circuit, so it's time to test it. So once you push the button, the circuit will start working. Everyone can easily do lot of different circuits using BitBlocks that also help us to make our life easier. So guys, thanks for watching the video. Have a good day.